Welcome to week 3 of procedural modeling for production in Houdini. This week we're going to be building two separate generators, one for a cactus and one for a succulent. By the time we're done, you'll have two systems, one of which will be a cactus system with control over the shape of the base, the size and frequency of these ridges, the size and density of the spines, and you'll be able to add some twists to your cactus. You'll also have a succulent system that will allow you to control the number of petals, the angle of the petals, the amount of bending and curling on the petals. You'll have some ramps that will allow you to control the profile of those petals. And many of these will be hooked up to a randomizer to allow you to generate random variations of this model. By the time we're done, you'll have a generator that will allow you to get a variety of looks all from the same set of controls. Let's get started.